Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you all will be in good health. Today I am going to discuss about systemic inflammatory response syndrome. As it is clear from its name that there is a response to an inflammation, a particular set of findings or symptoms before the sepsis or shock set in, as it indicates a specific condition with us, which also leads to mild or severe sepsis or even worse septic shock. Now, how and when are we going to consider it? By looking up to the SIRS criteria, which consist of temperature, heart rate, respiratory rate, and WBC count. Any two out of these four will consider or indicates us SIRS, systemic inflammatory response syndrome. Temperature less than 36 degrees Celsius or greater than 38 degrees Celsius, heart rate greater than 90, respiratory rate greater than 20, partial pressure carbon dioxide less than 32, as there is hyperventilation, more removal of carbon dioxide with increased respiratory rate. So there is a reduction in partial pressure of carbon dioxide. And WBC count less than 4,000 or greater than 12,000, which indicates inflammation. Now, two criteria is equal to systemic inflammatory response syndrome. Two or more indicates SIRS. Now, this also leads to mild sepsis or severe sepsis. How? If we have SIRS plus confirmed infection, by this we know that there is mild sepsis. But if there is SIRS plus confirmed infection plus organ damage, if there is an organ damage with it, we consider it as severe sepsis. Confirmed infection or organ damage. Like if there would be damage to kidneys, we will end up with low urine output, or chest infection, tissues of lungs damage with increased respiratory rate. And now moving on to the septic shock. Septic shock is equal to sepsis plus decreased BP, hypotension. Now we consider it as a septic shock. So as from the start, as we took our start from the SIRS criteria and we end up with mild, severe sepsis and septic shock, it was all about these criteria. So by looking up to the criteria of these SIRS, we know about the conditions, the specific conditions going on. Thank you for